present our business plan, Where Magic Happens, the library bookstore. Business plan is an essential written document that provides description and overview of your company future.
This presentation comprehensive business plan for a new bookstore library, Where Magic Happens, Leon Sawa Mabulite, targeting a diverse customer based in offering unique services to a bookstore, a loving for reading.
A bookstore that offer a good book quality can grant customer satisfaction. Accommodating a customer is a strategy that every store should be possessed in order to give a satisfaction to their customer. This business focus on the betterment of the potential customer. That's why I decided to sell not only books for students but also for children and adults of different languages and studies. Sustaining someone craving for information and new knowledge and promoting the traditional book resources. Is this a store goal? Everyone who hunt for books are welcome.
Books. These books are categorized depending on how valuable it is. Each category holds a different set of prices. For instance, a book sitting on each shelf for children's category will cost 10 pesos. While a book containing knowledge about medicine placed on the shelf for the researchers category will cost thousands of pesos. Services offered in the library. Book categories. Categorize by value and price. Children, students, parents, professionals, and researchers. Rental option. Customers can rent books for a discounted price, returning within 2 to 3 days. Reading space. Customers can read in the store, charged by the hour. Additional services. Photocopy service, bookmarks, and a comfortable reading environment.
Analysis, the target and potential customer of our bookstore library is anyone can buy in the store, but the residents of Loyon Sound Abuyog are already favored given the proximity targeted customer as follows. So you can look the PowerPoint, what are the target audience and the target customers. So in the target audience, the diverse customer base was acceptable of all ages and genders and social status, while the student and professional located near social, school, and the municipality of office for the knowledge of seekers caters to individuals seeking various information and knowledge. As competitors, I will not sell storybooks but also textbook and encyclopedia. So a book that is purchased directly from the publisher, example is the Warren Buffett Advice for Business Management. So my store is a customer access, and on the basis of the location, my store offers a more convenient surrounding. People can just buy and grab a book after shopping at the Prince Hypermart, after working some papers at the municipality office, and having a date of LSM. So while the reader's magic shop, a customer should not go the international to purchase a book beautiful because that place is not accessible to the people at the proper of a Abuyog. So the marketing strategy is the promoting flyers, online preference, loyalty program. So I will create an online selling page for promoting my books, and I will also distribute by the flyers by the time my store opens. And a monthly raffle for a single type of a best-selling book is also done for further expand title of my store to our target customer. And the loyalty award for my regular customer is also granted free reading for 1 hour. So since my store is established near the shore, I will use that as an advantage to convince my customer to step in my store. LSM in Abuyog is a widely popular place to be a visited student after school.
We will move to the competitive analysis of the bookstore library. The store stocks the knowledge that every reader is looking for. The store supports the reader's perspective in choosing a book. The store respects the privacy of every reader or customer. That the store also generates ideas that can make a customer happy. Example, giving away bookmarks. The store is open on weekdays for 12 hours a day, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. For the first month of opening, the store will be open 24/7, and the charge of reading will be a freelance. Promotional flyer will be distributed across Abuyo.
Store library has its own nature of strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. This is our SWOT analysis. Number one is strengths. Location is accessible to customers. The store contributes to the study and learning of the customers. Promotes the traditional information researching. Next is weakness. Business is unstable during summer vacations. High maintenance, high budget proposal. The next is opportunities. It can become a huge success. It can become a lifelong business. It is an opportunity to be one of the greatest store in Abuyog. And the last is threats. Location is prone in flooding. Bookstore may close if not handled well. Budget rate increasing as customers are increasing.
So we can talk about the budget proposal of where the magic happens at the bookstore library. So when we talk about the startup budget plan, the total cost of 800,488 to 237.50 pesos. So for the category is the construction materials, labor, room renovation, and room paint, where the cost of construction is 50,000 and the construction materials is 300,000. Then the labor is 150,000 and the room renovation is 80,000. When the room paint is the 15,000. So for the follow-up budget plan, we include the equipment resources, and the budget cost is the air conditioner is 36,000 and the syrup machine is the 15,000. So in the monthly maintenance budget plans, the total of 1,882, 587.50 total, which include the electricity, book delivery, book, labor, and shop maintenance.
Store library. The first is the CEO. The CEO is responsible for the overall vision, strategy, and direction of the bookstore library. The next is the store manager. The store manager oversees the daily operations of the bookstore, ensuring that store runs smoothly and efficiently. The next is the librarian. The librarian is responsible for managing the library section of the bookstore, including cataloging books, assisting patrons, and organizing events or programs that promote. The next is the customer service representative. It serves the first point of contact for customers that provides customers information and support to enhance the shopping experience. The next is the administrative assistant. It provides support to management team by handling administrative tasks, managing schedules, and ensuring efficient communication within the organizations, and organize and maintain files and records. Establishing the store is a real challenge. A bookstore sounds boring nowadays, especially because not many people pay attention to books. The younger generations found the internet as a replacement to books because it is much easier and faster way of gathering information that they needed. So reading books is a stress relief exercise and an escape to different world they can enjoy. For kids, books build language, skills, and imaginations. Books can be a guide through life by giving us moral understanding and perspective beyond ourselves. Thus, I'm planning to build a bookstore library.